Welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to restore your unstoppable crypto wallet from backup. First, download the application. If you don't have it installed, go to App Store or Google Play Store and download the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Then, launch the application on a device. On the welcome screen, choose the option to import wallet. Here, select all of these checkboxes and click on Agree button. After that, select from recovery phrase if you have a recovery phrase, or you can also import it from iCloud files or from Exchange One. After that, type in the recovery phrase on this field here. Now make sure you enter each word correctly and in right order. Once you have entered the recovery phrase, tap on Next button. After that, you can also import a blockchain. Select the blockchains from here and click on Import button.
We got it.
Now, here you can see that your wallet has been imported. Once this process is completed, your wallet and all associated assets will be restored and available for use. So that is how you can restore your unstoppable crypto wallet from backup. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.